Cycling is a great exercise for everyone, no matter how fit you are. It has loads of benefits. In this video, I'll show you what happens to your body when you cycle every day. Make sure to watch till the end, it's going to be interesting. Let's go. Cycling is a fantastic way to get your muscles moving. But do you know which muscles are working hard when you pedal? When you cycle, you mainly use your leg muscles. Your quadriceps and hamstrings do most of the work as they push down and pull up the pedals. Your calves help too, especially when you stand up to pedal harder. Don't forget about your glutes. They power you up hills and help keep you steady. Even your core muscles, like your abs and back, get a workout as they keep you balanced and upright. So next time you hop on your bike, remember all the muscles you're strengthening with each pedal stroke. Cycling does more than just build muscles. It also boosts your immune system. When you ride your bike, your body's defenses get stronger. This happens because cycling helps increase the circulation of important immune cells in your body. These cells are like tiny warriors that fight off infections. Regular cycling can even help you catch fewer colds. Also, being active outdoors means you get more vitamin D from the sun, which is great for your immune system. So, cycling not only keeps you fit, but also helps keep you healthy by making your immune system better at protecting you from illnesses. Cycling is a super way to boost your heart health. When you pedal, your heart beats faster, improving your heart's fitness over time. This means your heart becomes better at pumping blood and getting oxygen to all parts of your body. Plus, cycling can lower the risk of heart diseases like high blood pressure and heart attacks. Did you know that people who bike regularly have a much lower chance of heart problems? Studies show that cycling just 30 minutes a day can reduce your risk of heart disease by a whopping 50%. That's a big deal because heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. Cycling is an amazing way to lose extra body fat. When you ride your bike, your body burns calories, which helps reduce fat. It's a fun and effective way to manage your weight without feeling like you're working out too hard. Here's a cool fact. Cycling can burn between 400 to 1,000 calories per hour, depending on your speed and intensity. This means if you cycle regularly, you can see a big difference in your body fat levels over time. Plus, because cycling builds muscle, especially in your legs, your body continues to burn calories even when you're not cycling. This is because muscle uses more energy than fat. Cycling also helps in managing and preventing obesity, which is linked to many health problems. Cycling is not just good for your body, it's also great for your brain. When you pedal, your heart pumps more blood, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach your brain. This can help improve your memory, reasoning, and planning skills. Studies show that people who cycle regularly have better brain function and a lower risk of cognitive decline as they age. Plus, cycling can also reduce stress and anxiety, which are common brain drainers. So, by cycling regularly, you're not only keeping your body fit, but you're also keeping your mind sharp and healthy. Cycling regularly can lower your risk of cancer, especially breast and colon cancer. Research shows that active people, like cyclists, are less likely to develop these diseases. By cycling, you help your body fight off harmful effects that can lead to cancer. Cycling is a fantastic way to meet new people and build friendships. When you join cycling groups or participate in bike rides, you connect with others who share your interest. It's a fun, social activity that brings people together outdoors. Plus, cycling events and local bike clubs often organize group rides, which can be a great opportunity to socialize and make new friends. These gatherings can lead to lasting relationships, all while enjoying a healthy activity. Cycling is great for improving your posture and coordination. When you ride a bike, you have to keep your body balanced and upright, which naturally helps you maintain a good posture. This can reduce back pain and help your spine stay aligned. Additionally, coordinating your pedal strokes and steering improves your overall coordination and motor skills. Cycling challenges you to be aware of your body and its movements, enhancing your ability to control your muscles smoothly. This skill is not only useful while cycling, but also in daily activities. Cycling is really good for your lungs. When you ride your bike, you breathe deeply, which helps your lungs work better. This deep breathing sends lots of oxygen to your muscles and helps clear out your airways, which means less mucus and fewer lung problems. Plus, cycling outside exposes you to fresh air, which is great for your lung health. It's a simple and fun way to make sure your lungs are strong and healthy. Did you know that cycling can do wonders for your skin? That's right. When you cycle, your body's blood circulation gets a boost. This means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your skin, making it look healthier and more vibrant. What's even cooler is that cycling helps flush out toxins through sweat, which can clear up your skin and reduce the risk of acne. Regular cycling can also reduce stress, which is often a culprit behind skin problems like breakouts and dullness. Plus, being outdoors means you're getting a healthy dose of vitamin D from the sun, which is essential for skin health. But here's something really amazing. Studies suggest that regular exercise like cycling can help your skin heal faster from injuries. This is because better blood flow helps in faster cell regeneration. So, by cycling regularly, you're not just getting fitter, you're also giving your skin a natural glow and keeping it healthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content, and we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell us how often you go cycling. Your feedback helps us create videos that you want to see. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.